Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Microsoft Excel tutorial, how to set every other row. So we have example, like you can select this row, and if you want to shed, you can click at this icon, and you can choose the color, like I will set into this color, or you can press Ctrl button, hold, and then select for cells, and you can click again at these options to create the color. You also can use the format as tables. You can select the area for table and click this option, format as table. Okay, you can click to apply and click OK. So to be automatically format the table. And you need to set this option into the default color, or you can set into no fill. Okay, we select again in here, and I will change for the format tables into this table like this. And if you want to erase this drop down menu, you can select and then you can go to table design, click on convert to rank, click yes to be erase the drop down menu. Okay, that's it for basic Microsoft Excel tutorial, how to set every other row. If you have any question about tutorial, you can comment below this video.